let's go ahead and install our dual steering stabilizer. They're going to help stabilize that steering feel while we're towing. But the first step in installing this dual steering stabilizer kit is going to be to remove the factory steering stabilizer. Let's go ahead and get the truck up on the lift where you can work on it and take that out. Now the factory stabilizer is held on 2 bolts, one on each end. We'll go ahead and get those taken out. And the one that actually runs through here took a little persuading, but we can definitely get that knocked out, get it out of the way, get ready to install our dual steering stabilizer. All right, we're going to take these 2 bolts out of the differential. Our center mounting bracket reuses these points and also has a U-bolt to go around the axle. So we'll go ahead and pull these out. Our center bracket goes on to the axle, and again held in with the 2 bolts from the differential and a U-bolt. Next we'll install the tie rod brackets as well as the stud that's going to hold this end of our cylinder. Cylinder just slips right onto the stud, and then the other end will attach to the center bracket using a nut and bolt. We'll go ahead and get our bushings knocked in and finalize the installation of the second cylinder. And it's just a matter of running our bolt up through the bushing on the cylinder and tightening the nut. And with that, the dual steering stabilizer on this F-250 is installed. And it was a simple installation. One thing you want to make sure of is don't tighten down these end brackets until everything's mounted up. That way you can ensure that your cylinders are nice and level with your tie rod and the ground. Once you get that done, tighten everything down, make sure everything's secure, and you're good to go. So if you're looking to add a little stabilization or a little jewelry to the front of your lifted F-250 or F-350, be sure to check out our V2 dual steering stabilizer.